friends, C. Sachi Rati this side, wishing you all a very happy Makar Sankranti, happy Lohri, happy Uttarayan, happy Pongal, and we have so many names for this beautiful festival. Today I am going to share with you all how to deal with failure and specifically CA failures. लास्ट वीक हम सभी जानते हैं सीए रिजल्ट्स आए हैं इंटर और फाइनल लेवल पे एंड ओनली 15 to 20% ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स कुड क्लियर द एग्जाम्स एंड ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 lakh students could not clear the exams. Yes, you heard it right, 1.5 lakh students. But we all know that failure is first step towards success. So today I am going to share with you all how to normalize this failure by embracing trying. बिकॉज पास तो आप सभी होने ही वाले हैं बट उसके लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है टू एक्सेप्ट द फेलियर टुडे. सो बाय नॉर्मलाइजिंग फेलियर आई डोंट मीन टू से दैट यू शुड सेलिब्रेट द फेलियर बट येस यू शुड नॉट ट्रीट द फेलियर एज अ वेरी वेरी बिग इवेंट दैट पहाड़ टूट गया है एंड अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता एंड एवरीथिंग इज ओवर. And by embracing trying, I mean to say that you should keep trying and you should keep working for your success. So here are some of the things which I would like to share with you all to overcome your failures. So the first point is you should not blame other people or situation for your failure. Instead of blaming other people or thinking कि यार इन लोगों की वजह से या इस सिचुएशन की वजह से या इन सर्कमस्टांसेस की वजह से मैं फेल हो गई, इससे कुछ हासिल नहीं होगा. इससे आप सिर्फ खुद को कन्विंस कर रहे हैं कि मेरे फेलियर की वजह मैं नहीं कोई और है. इंस्टेड टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर योर ओन फेलियर एंड वर्क हाउ टू ओवरकम द फेलियर एंड बी ऑन द वे टू सक्सेस. Number 2 is worry only about controllables. So yes, this is not my gyan, but our Captain Cool MSD has also said that you should worry only about controllables. Instead of criticizing over luck, criticizing over the correct timing of your results, you should work on the controllables. You should work on how to be more focused during studies, how to work hard, how to practice more for the exams and how to write exams well. Number 3 is be your own source of motivation. Instead of finding somebody else who can motivate you or finding some another source of motivation, you should become your own source of motivation. Find your own source of charging up yourself. This will help you to be charged up and motivated till the last day of your exams and it works very nice. Number 4 is analyze your past papers and strategies. So ICI also provides us the facility to ask your answer copies through RTI. So you can bring your answer papers, you can analyze whether it was an answer writing mistake, whether it was a conceptual mistake, whether it was a learning mistake or it was the exam pressure that you could not write well in exams. And for these things, you can take the help of various study planners which are available online as well as offline, which provides you test series to practice and mentoring session to guide you on your field strategies. Remember, when a plant is given a blunt cut in the monsoon, when it rises, it blooms more beautifully. Similarly, when a chartered accountant fails during his exams, he becomes more knowledgeable, more compassionate and more patient person when he becomes a chartered accountant. Stay positive, stay connected. I hope you like this video and you find this insightful.